Apple has emerged victorious in a significant legal battle, bringing exciting news for Apple Watch users in the United States. If you own an Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10, or the Apple Watch Ultra 2, you now have a compelling reason to update your device. The tech giant has just introduced a revamped blood oxygen feature, which had been unavailable to these users due to a protracted legal dispute. This development comes on the heels of a ruling from U.S. courts, customs, allowing these watch owners to once again monitor their blood oxygen levels, albeit with a new approach. Previously, the feature was disabled on U.S. models because of a patent conflict with Masimo, a company specializing in medical technology. Masimo claimed that Apple's sensor design infringed upon its patents related to pulse oximetry. In response to this legal challenge, Apple had to deactivate the feature on new models sold in the U.S. while it pursued an appeal. The involvement of U.S. customs was crucial, as the dispute extended beyond software issues to include the physical devices being imported. Customs is responsible for enforcing trade bans and patent rulings, which meant Apple needed to secure approval for its redesigned feature before it could ship watches with the updated capability into the country. So what does this mean for you? Instead of processing blood oxygen data directly on the watch, the measurements will now be calculated on your paired iPhone and displayed in the respiratory section of the Health app. This change not only complies with legal requirements, but also enhances the user experience by leveraging the iPhone's processing power. If you're eager to enable the new blood oxygen feature on your Apple Watch, follow these straightforward steps. 1. Verify your model. Open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap on General, then About. Check the model name to confirm it reads Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10, or Apple Watch Ultra 2. To ensure it's a U.S. model, refer to your original purchase receipt or log into your Apple ID account to review your device details. U.S. models typically have a model number ending in LLA. 2. Update your iPhone. On your iPhone, navigate to Settings. Tap General, then Software Update. Select Update Now to install iOS 18.6.1. 3. Update your Apple Watch. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap General, then Software Update. Install watchOS 11.6.1. Note, this update will not impact Apple Watches that already have the original blood oxygen feature or those purchased outside the U.S. 4. Restart both devices. After completing the updates, restart both your iPhone and Apple Watch to ensure the changes take effect. 5. Access the blood oxygen app. On your Apple Watch, press the digital crown to view your apps. Tap the blood oxygen app. Hold your wrist flat with the watch facing up and tap Start to begin the reading. Remain still while the measurement is taken. Your iPhone will process the data and display it in the respiratory section of the Health app. Tap Learn More to understand your blood oxygen readings and their significance. 6. Review your health information in the Health app. Your iPhone will store all blood oxygen measurements in the Health app, whether taken on demand or in the background. Open the Health app on your iPhone. Tap the Browse tab at the bottom right. Select Respiratory and then click Blood Oxygen. You can filter your results to view readings taken during sleep or at high altitudes, making it easier to track specific trends over time. For those who have missed the blood oxygen tracking feature due to the legal issues, this update is your opportunity to regain access. By updating your device today, you can once again monitor your oxygen saturation levels, which is beneficial for workouts, high-altitude adventures, and overall wellness tracking. This update ensures that U.S. customers can once again utilize one of the most sought-after health metrics available on the watch. It's important to note that the Blood Oxygen app is designed for general fitness and wellness purposes only. It is not intended for medical diagnosis or consultation with a healthcare professional. Apple has specifically designed this feature for users aged 18 and older. In addition to the blood oxygen tracking, the Series 9, Series 10, and Ultra 2 models also offer features such as irregular rhythm notifications, ECG capabilities, sleep apnea alerts, fall detection, temperature sensing, and mindfulness tools. If you're interested in learning more about the Apple Watch and its features, visit cyberguy.com/applewatch. Kurt's key takeaways highlight Apple's determination to enhance health tracking capabilities in wearables. By creatively adapting technology to navigate legal challenges, Apple has reaffirmed its commitment to prioritizing user health tools. What do you think about Apple's innovative workaround? Is it a clever solution? Or should the company strive harder to restore the original watch-based tracking? We invite you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments.